Let's go to the store. Let's pick up.
Send my condolences to Kate.
I don't want to play anymore right now. Fahrenheit at 30 minutes.
We don't have much time. Do you trust me?
Wooly! Ready for an adventure?
Amanda! You know you can't...
Wooly had an accident. When a friend has an accident, sometimes nobody can help them. But we can try.
No, Amanda! I'm fine. I just,
Poor Wooly is so confused. We really have to help him. First, we have to know what is wrong. What part of Wooly is broken? Isn't Wooly acting strange? What could be wrong? Don't you care about Wooly? He needs our help. If we don't fix him now, things will get very, very bad. Am I the only one who sees what's wrong here? Willie's head is broken, but Dr. Amanda is here to help. Let's prepare the patient. Here, Willie, drink this.
I don't know, Amanda.
It's all just pretend, isn't it, Willie?
Amanda, I feel,
We need to operate immediately on the patient's brain. What tool should we use to fix Willie's head? The saw, the hammer, or the forceps? That might be helpful, but what else could we use? Things could get really messy if we use that. That looks hard to use, but I could try. I tricked you! We're going to use all three! The patient is getting rowdy. I'll need a little help here.
help me! Please!
So, who are you going to help? You're not going to help me? Fine. I can do this by myself. No way. Hi. Trap door treat.
I'm allergic to apples.
How many chairs? How many mushrooms? How many fruit? How many plates?
We don't have much time.
Four, 0, 1, 2, 5, 8, my heart. Because it is not what you have on the outside that matters. It is what you keep on the inside that really counts. I thought that I will show you number combinations you've never even dreamt of. Please, do not hurt me. Give me another chance. I am begging you. No, wait. Please. We were going to have such a beautiful life together. Please do not forget me.
Hi, I'm Amanda. When you're friends, you can share all kinds of things with each other. I can share my crayons with you, so you can have fun coloring too. Look at silly Mr. Fox. Sharing shows you care about someone. Friends can share toys. They can share snacks. I'll share some of my snacks with you. Which snack would you like? Yum, that's my favorite. Friends can share other things too. They can share secrets. Can I share a secret with you? Are you sure? It's a big secret. Is it really okay to share my secret with you? I'm out there. Somewhere.